Welcome back to our heritage project. So today I'm going to show you our framing. You can see we've got a lot of framing done. See all that wood at the top there? That's called backing. We're going to hang very, very heavy barn doors there, so we want to make sure there's lots of wood there. You can kind of see all the wires that we've put through the new walls, etc. That's all the new electrical. And here, this wall here, you know we're removing, but we've discovered that it is a load-bearing wall and we need to do a new structural beam. That yellow wood you see on the floor, that's going to be our beam. It's called an LVL. It's basically 3 beams glued together. Our engineer is here looking at everything, and we did have to put some extra support, you can see there, underneath this column that will now be supporting the floor, along with the beam, of course. We've got our framing done for our fireplace. We do have some backing in here because there's going to be a TV here. And this we had to frame out to spec to accommodate the brand new fireplace that's going in. Lots of mess here, you guys. I know it looks crazy, but this really is what a construction site can look like at different stages. And over here in the kitchen, we have all of the electrical done. You can see the ceiling there with all the wires hanging down. That's all new pot lights. We've got some little puck lights. You can see the little red wires there. Those are going in our floating shelves. The plumbing has also been worked on. The guts of the plumbing are basically done, as is the electrical, or almost. You can see through to the room next door. I'll show you that. And there's a look from the other side. You can see we have a transom window there to bring in some light. Now upstairs, again, we've got our framing done, we've got our basic plumbing done, we've got our rough-in for electrical. We've pulled back the old carpet, but you can see in here our framing is done, our basic layout is done, and all our new wiring and most of our plumbing. We have put off a little bit of plumbing for a couple of reasons, but that will still all get done. There's the octagon boxes for our beautiful new wall sconces for this project, and I'll show you those at a later date when we're done. Okay, so now we're back a few days later and our drywall is done, or at least as done as it can be. So you can see walking in to the right is our office. Those niches are gone now. Our transom window up there is all drywalled out. You see a bit of color on the walls. That's us testing paint colors. And in here, you can see the wall is gone and our new structural beam is in place. We've got supports on either side because we're actually waiting for inspection on the structural beam. So we're just leaving everything as is until we pass inspection, and I will tell you that we do pass inspection, but right now it's being left like that. The fireplace, we're just doing a couple of twigs to the guts of it, but we will drywall that out. And you can see in here some of the drywall in the kitchen is done, not all. We've got a couple of things open for various reasons. Here's a look from the other side. And it's starting to look like the space is coming together. That structural beam was a big surprise for everybody, but we did manage it really without any issues. I'll take you in around back here into the laundry room. So to the right is the laundry room, and this is where we've done a lot of work. We've had to replace HVAC, we've put new dryer vents in here, we've had to replace old vents and pipes, and so you can see it's all wide open. We can't close this up until our inspections are complete. And the extensive work did continue over this side. It just doesn't show as much, but you can see here our drywall is up, and we're starting just about to close up the space totally. So we'll go upstairs now And I'll show you what that looks like. And you can see the hardwood is still on the stairs. We haven't started work on our staircase yet, but wait till you see it. It's coming. Okay, so here's the principal bedroom. Again, lots of mess right now, you guys. Pretty typical. Everything's everywhere. But we've done the drywall here now, so you can see it's closed up. That's going to be a barn door. To the left there, that electrical, that's going to be a TV. Now coming into the principal bath, you can start to see it actually coming together. That little medicine cabinet to the left, that got missed. That's going to get covered over. We don't need that. And of course, we will be putting special drywall in the shower. You can see some of our plumbing pipes there. But it's great this stage. You can actually see the space kind of coming together. You can start to visualize a lot more. That to the left, that opening there, that's going to be a built-in cabinet. And here's a final look at everything from above. It just gives you an idea of how it's all coming together. So thanks for watching and stay tuned. I have so much more to show you.